How do I troubleshoot Disney Plus not casting to my TV?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot Disney Plus not casting to your TV. It can be quite frustrating when you're all set to watch your favorite Disney Plus show, but you encounter casting issues. Don't worry, though. We've got you covered.
Check your devices.
Firstly, you'll want to make sure that all your devices are working properly. Turn off and on your TV, Chromecast, or any other casting device you're using. Also, make sure your mobile device or PC is up to date and running smoothly.
Check your internet connection.
Slow or unstable internet connection can often be the root cause of casting problems. Check your internet speed and ensure that it meets the minimum requirements for streaming Disney Plus. If you're experiencing slow internet speeds, try resetting your router.
Update Disney Plus in casting devices.
Sometimes, the issue might be with outdated software. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Disney Plus app. Also, update your casting devices, be it Chromecast, Roku, or Apple TV.
Check your Disney Plus subscription.
Ensure that your Disney Plus subscription is active. If your subscription has expired, you might not be able to cast to your TV.
Contact Disney Plus support.
If none of the above steps work, it might be time to contact Disney Plus support. They're typically very responsive and should be able to guide you further. Troubleshooting Disney Plus casting issues is often a process of elimination. With a little patience and by following these steps, you should be able to get back to watching your favorite shows in no time. We hope this video has been helpful. If you're still encountering issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Disney Plus support. Happy streaming!